Yesterday is gone, forget about tomorrow, and the ceilings you see right through. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Before we can even think about sailing, we need to get the washer and dryer off the deck of the boat and into the utility room. The only problem is the doorway is just a tiny bit too narrow for the appliances to fit into the room.
And that's a hole in your boat.
There's holes in my boat.
There is holes in your boat.
From our construction days, we have these arm straps that help us get a better grip and carry heavy things. Yeah, watch.
I'm on my tippy toes. You have our hatch too, right?
Yep, right hatch.
Okay.
Yep.
Pick up Stella.
So this is wider by 1.5 inches.
Then the door, or the
yeah.
opening, I mean?
No, this way versus this way. So when we bring the washer through, we're going to carry the washer front to back.
It's not the washer?
No, this is the dryer.
Then what's that pull out for?
Condensate.
Oh.
Moisture from drying the clothes. It's not a condensate dryer, it's a heat pump dryer, but it still will have moisture that you'll need to get rid of, and that's the collection tank to do it.
Oh. Like the oven.
Kind of like the oven, yeah.
Like the oven.
Look how cute it is!
No, it's so cute.
After a trial fit, we discovered that the door still made it a little too big, so instead of cutting a bigger hole, we decided to take the door off. Now you're about to see that nothing can ever be easy.
I've got it. You need to go run around.
It's not going to pass here.
Oh no, there it goes, there it goes.
I need you to go in the other side like stat.
Okay, coming through. Watch it, move it. Stella, no.
Bye!
Straight in.
I'm through.
Stella.
Okay.
Don't move. I gotta get out. Okay.
You're on the.
Yeah, let go.
And that was the light one.
Go a piece of butcher block that we cut off on the ends that we can span here to support the washer, because this is the tightest spot.
Right.
And the washer will not fit down. It's got to come from this level straight in and then come down and come this way. So I need something that we can span across here to be able to, because if you and I are on the bottom side moving it in, Sydney can't hold the other half all by herself.
Can't you just use this?
I don't see if it fits. Look how smart Kim is. That's perfect.
I'll be here all week to do this.
This is the pallet.
I'll be here for the next week.
That's the pallet from the dryer.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll just slide it on here. It's gonna tip a little bit because
Right.
the feet won't touch
But
her.
it won't fall.
Right.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Get out of the way, Stella. Whoa! Get out of the way. Whoa.
Stella, no.
Out of the way.
Back. Shit. Come here. Stella.
Oh, shit. Here I go again.
Round 2.
Oh, shit. I missed the step. Okay.
Bye.
It's the one that says badass mother.
Boom.
Go team! Boom chicken soup! Alright.
You left me hanging. Okay. Done so.
Now that the deck is clear, we are set to put the sails up and go up the mast for some final checks.
This wraps over the bag, runs through this belt loop, and then gets tightened with this line to this tag line that's on it.
You've got plenty of depth if it's any consolation. 12 feet.
Yeah.
Plus 1.
Even though the water wasn't very pretty, the view was still amazing. We've been anticipating this moment for so long. The overwhelming amount of emotion we were feeling is unexplainable. So much time and work led up to this moment.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things
Are you excited to go sailing for the first time on your own boat?
So excited and nervous. Like, it's nerve-wracking. I don't think I was this nervous when we moved the boat from the port up to Stewart when we first got it, but we didn't know what we didn't know, so blind stupidity maybe? I don't know.
Ignorance is bliss.
so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make
How do you feel about steering the boat?
It's weird because I can look down and I can see that we're going 5 knots, but it feels like we're standing still.
Yeah,
So
it doesn't really feel
trying
like
to adjust how your body feels with what you're seeing around you, and it just is weird. I mean, it's cool, but it's weird.
Do you feel confident?
No!
No.
What the fuck I'm doing?
How you doing, Sid? What are you standing on, Sid? Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Are you the queen of the world?
I am. On my boat.
On your boat. Nice.
Action.
Action. So today we're going to put in our new water maker from Seawater Pro. We bought it a year ago.